We're going to game 2 of the regular season. Minnesota and Colorado. This is Colorado Avalanche in Minnesota Wild. East of Minnesota, I'm Colorado. First to 5, no code checking. Alright. Sounds like the hood. The hood. Sounds like where Christian lives. How's that not go in, bro?
Wait, should I play goalie like this?
Wait, how did you do it? Nobody cares.
I'm trying to figure out how Cam plays goalie.
Cam plays goalie weird.
Oh, I thought that was that. I gotta fix my net. Okay, we good. Oh crap, I thought it was this one.
Yeah, score, Missy!
I thought it was this one.
I didn't score this one. It like flopped off my stick.
Oh.
But it's still fun.
Oh, let me put this in that net. I guess they're different.
Yeah,
What a flipper.
Alright, 1-0.
Lemon dog, good.
Slashing on the play?
Roar, I wonder if Lila knows she's the face of the biggest meme.
Biggest meme in our books. Rob, Rob. You see what I was trying to do there? Alright, 2-1.
That one-handed though. 2-1?
Yeah, 2-1. Oh,
Oh, I see what you're trying to do. Yeah! I was just waiting for the ball to come around the corner.
Oh my god, I'm sound. At least I'm winning face-offs. Oh, what is it? Oh my god, bro. Oh, I got enough of that too. Did you just twerk?
No.
3-2.
Yes!
Fuck!
4-2.
4-2. Oh, close. I think.
Oh, I'm gonna reach it. I thought you were gonna go through the wall.
No, it goes in the way, so I'm falling. This is probably the end for me.
I didn't even fake shoot that. My hand slipped off my stick. save.
I didn't say that. You get off the post. I made the first initial save.
Hands are sweaty.
Fuck! Well, that's game. I lost. It's okay.